Dear friends,
Dear friends, this is our first introduction video which is dedicated to your health, and all upcoming videos will also based on Ayurveda, and it will always provide you important informations which will really help you to keep you fit and healthy. But before that, I would like to share important information.
आपको स्वस्थ रखने में बेहद बेहद मदद करेगा। लेकिन उसके पहले कुछ और जानकारियां मैं आपको जरूर देना चाहूँगा।
Toughest task with YouTube is to find relevant videos. Because of shortage of time, it really become very hard to find relevant and useful content. That's why I'm here to fulfill this requirement and to provide you really important informations and to discuss on important points. So the first question is, what is there in my videos that you will be moved to watch them and why you will watch? Let me clear you.
और क्यों देखेंगे आप? क्यों देखना चाहिए? मैं स्पष्ट करता हूँ। दोस्तों, हमारा आयुर्वेदिक दवा निर्माण का
Friends, it's been 30 years that we are into manufacturing Ayurvedic medicines. This 30-year experience will be countable, of course, and this is our first backup, and it's not like we will manufacture anything and serve before you.
हम गवर्नमेंट रिकॉग्नाइज्ड जो बुक्स हैं, ऑथेंटिक बुक्स हैं या जो सिलेबस की बुक्स हैं,
We will give you references from government recognized books, authentic books, or those academic books by which students become doctors. We will give you proofs from all these and will show you live products in the factory, and will show how you can prepare in your home. Also, we will give you proofs from Hindu scriptures, which are also known as backbone of Ayurveda. For an example, Charak Samhita, Sushruta Samhita, Ras Tantra Sar, Bhav Prakash Nighritu, and thousands of books are there as a backbone. We'll give you references and proofs from these ancient books and even explain you their meaning and where it is written. Otherwise, there will be no difference between us and frauds. We will give you proofs, references, and reviews of our doctors and clients who got benefit from our products. We will not only give you knowledge on products, but also make you aware of uses of spices which you use at your kitchen on daily basis. Because in our side, these spices are gift from our ancestors that they have given us as medicines. Take an example of turmeric. It can be used in case of emergency, and 150 plus diseases can be treated by turmeric. Generally, people are not aware of this and we rush to doctor even for minor concerns. But if I serve things with experience and with reference of scriptures, then what is the harm? Then there is no space for doubts.
अगर मैं आपसे कहता हूँ कि ब्रांडी
If I ask you to get 2 spoon brandy and mix required amount of ginger and shake well, or leave it for 2 days, or if it is required urgently, then shake it very well, and can be converted in mother tincture. If I tell you how we can convert mother tincture into 1 power, 2 power, 3 power, and last 6 power, so you can easily prepare this at home and get benefited. But if I tell you that at home how you can make their mother tincture, 30 potency medicine, and biochemic, that will be really helpful to you in case of emergency.
कैसे बनेगा, डाइल्यूशन कैसे बनेगा, सेम ड्रग से, सेम अदरक से मैं
Well, I'll talk on facts and things written on our ancient books, that how mother tincture dilutions can be prepared with the same drug. For an example, I take ginger. How it can be converted into mother tincture or dilution or biochemic. You might have mother tincture, but how it can be converted into biochemic. Now you have biochemic, but how to convert into dilution. If you have knowledge about all these, you can easily and effectively get treated at home. There are 5 parts of any drug or herb. For an example, we talk about ginger, and there are more herbs like Withania somnifera, bark of asoka. So 5 parts of any herb has their different uses. If we mix same drug biochemic combination low or high dose, if we take dilution or mother tincture again, there will be different effects. And if we make fant, decoction, infusion or potion, their use increases. That means even one drug has that much wide range of uses that so many treatments can be done.
मतलब कि एक ही ड्रग के इतने ज्यादा वाइड यूजेस हैं, इतने डिटेल्ड में यूजेस हैं।
And on initial stage, you can make medicines at home and get treated.
प्राथमिक स्तर पे, इनिशियल स्टेज पे अपने घर में ही अपना उपचार कर सकते हैं। हमारी बातों में और ज़्यादा वजन सिद्ध होता है तब जब हमारे वैल्यूएबल
It adds more weight in our things when we share reviews of our valuable clients who are doctors, no doubt our family members, our relatives, our neighbors, our staff and workers.
वर्कर्स हैं, हम लोग हमारी फैक्ट्री की सारी मेडिसिन यूज़ करते हैं।
We and they all use medicines of our factory and we will share their genuine reviews with you with their contact numbers and address. And of course, they are doctors, practitioners, wholesalers. So it's proved we don't want to do raw marketing here. And soon we will take you to our factory and make you see how we manufacture medicines so that you can see and learn that how you can make medicines at home. How can you prepare medicine at home with herbs and even with spices you use in the kitchen.
वीडियोस में मेरा
By
स्वार्थ
uploading
10%
such videos,
और
I want to
90%
give more and more solution to
आप लोगों के
people
हित की
to
भावना
make
है, इसका
them
मैं विश्वास
benefit.
दिलाता हूँ।
Because friends, I want you to know and learn more about simple treatments that you can easily prepare at home. In the end, I just want to say stay tuned and stay healthy.
जय भारत, जय हिंद।